So I'm trying a 1v1 of Avalugg during the raid day. I'm not sure what moveset this one has because this is only the second raid I've tried, so I can't read my auto select yet, but I'm hoping that level 50 Metagross, well, it would have been alright if this didn't have bite. So this might not be possible. So it's Bite Blizzard. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to dodge a lot of fast moves. We'll use a fighting type, maybe. Should have fitted another fast move in there. This might work now. Yeah, did it. Oh, that was very close. I think I saw a couple of phantom bites there at the end as well, which usually starts when you start dodging fast moves, you get fast move phantoms as well. That was kind of tense and quite fun. But yeah, so Bite Blizzard 1v1 using level 50 Metagross. That was fun. Enjoyed that a lot. Let's see if we get a good one. I think that is not a good one, but it doesn't matter. It was fun anyway.